Let's get back to the markets now. In all likelihood, it will, of course, be a gap down opening. But what happens from there? Will the dips get bought? Anuj joins in for a quick trade setup. Hi, Anuj. Morning.
Morning, Sonia. You know what? It's a test of the market's texture, right? Normally, in a big uptrend, the first gap down is bought. That's a leap of faith trade that traders take, especially if the gap down is due to the global factors and not domestic. So let's see, the first dip could get bought, but on days like today, there's also a second dip because the global mood is bad. So that second dip is more important. In the second dip, if the morning low is broken, the market normally falls. But if the second dip is also bought, in that case, there's a big rally in the last hour or so. So let's see. I think a big day of trade is coming up here because the market's texture has been strongly buy on dips. Mid-caps might recover first. In fact, I won't be surprised to see mid-cap index in green at some point during the day today because it's really been very strong and we've started to see a big positive advance declines. So if you want to focus on individual stocks, perhaps that could be another strategy. Now, talking about the levels on the Nifty, the first support is 22,300 to 22,350 based on the options data and also the 5-day exponential moving average. And the bigger support is 22,166 to 22,240, the 10 and 20-day exponential moving average. After the gap down, the first resistance would be at the even Steven mark, 22,453. And then 22,500 to 22,530, the all-time high zone. I think the Bank Nifty, where you have the weekly options expiry today, could give you one decent swing. The first support here is 47,385 to 47,400, thereabout, options base, and yesterday's low. And the bigger support is 47,100 to 47,220, 5 and 10-day exponential moving average. The resistance comes in at 47,550, yesterday's close, and bigger resistance is 47,707. As always, I'll leave you with quote of the day. And today, you know, is the birthday of Marlon Brando, the godfather of modern day acting. And a very interesting quote, I think to regret is useless in life. It belongs to the past, something which we should all implement in life.
Well, that's one of the all-time greats. Actually, the GOAT, according to me, as far as the last, 2 generations ago in acting. Anuj, thanks very much for that. Something to light up our moods, as always.
I thought you were calling Anuj the all-time great. So I was like, slightly confused. Well, 2 all-time greats then, right?
But we have the picture right next to it.
But living life with no regrets, I think that is something that, all of us
That's the only way to live it.
Yeah.
that is also the, my all-time favorite song as well from Devanand, right? मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया.